Isibhedlela seMankweng sibhedlela sabantwana abathunyelwa ngezinye imbhedlela. uLiam Shikwambana wenyanga ezili-11 ubudala ube mntwana wokuthoma ukuhlomula kileli hlelo lokugidinga inyanga yabomma wahlinzwa isibono. Unina uthokoza kaqedi ngombana uthi umntwana wakhe bekahlalwe ubuhlungu anganapilo kuhle.
I've been going up and down for these days for operation. So finally, today is the D-day for the operation. And then I've got mixed emotions since I'm not familiar what's going on in there.
But today my child will have a inguinal hernia. Yeah, so I'll be relieved. I've been waiting for a long time.
Abanye abodorhodere bathi bathabela ukuthola ithuba lokusiza imbhedlela zendawo zemakhaya.
This is a very honorable and a very proud moment for me to stand here and be able to operate and do what I feel one of the things I do best, to operate and render quality healthcare services to the people of Limpopo, especially the children of Limpopo.
Imphathimandla zepilo zifuna ukuhlonipha inyanga le ngokuhlinza iinguli ezingaphezu kwe-150.
We don't want to spend the day you calling us Malibongwe igama lamakhosikazi only. We want to show you that we deserve to be praised because of the work that we can do. We can also impact positively in the lives of our fellow women.
Ihlelweli lizokudlulela esiyingini sebembe kusasa.